to find you. Now that you're here, I can remind you.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kiki. This is KISSIMMEE. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Do not be afraid to subscribe because it's lit over here. As you can see from the title and as you can see from my hair, we will be doing this style in our styling video for today. Let's get right into things, and yeah, I want to show y'all how I did it. Let's go. For this style, I'm using the 3/4 inch diameter perm rods, but for the back of my hair, because it hangs so low, I want to make sure it's not going to be too much smaller. I'm going to use these. I don't even know the diameter of these, but here are the two in reference with each other. Just a smaller curl. Just a smaller curl, hopefully. This do something. So this is the size. 3/4 inch diameter. Don't know what this is, but small. Okay, so let's get into the details. I'm starting by spraying my hair with rose water, and then I'm following it with the Curl Talk foam. One, this foam smells amazing. It does not include any alcohol, and it gets the job done by having a product in your hair for curls. We all know you cannot just curl locks with water, and if you don't know, let me tell you, I tried it. It didn't work. After spraying my hair and putting the foam on it, I am going back and fixing my roots by just fixing the flyaways at the roots and just making it look more neater, and then I'm continuing on with the curls, and that's what you see throughout the rest of this video.
Sometimes I wish there was two of me and three of me when it was you and me. I felt like I loved you too much to change you. You believe in angels more than angels. Feel like I've been going through too much to explain to you, but I'm still the same way I was when I came to you. Everything I had, what I had to exchange for you. Everything I've been through, I can't even complain to you. Wish it stayed the same. Sorry.
Hey y'all, it is the next day and we're about to go ahead and take these down. I am a little nervous because I've taken down rods before and they were not curling. But we're going to start in the back, which is the same way we began to put the curlers in.
My shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Texas. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody said. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go, leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed.
Having the two smaller rods in the back did help just a little. I wish I had more to use further up, but they kept breaking because they were really old. So definitely the next time that I do perm rods, I am going to do shorter ones in the back just because my hair is a lot longer and I cannot wear my hair down at work because of how far down it hangs below my collar. But that's neither here nor there.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go, leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going all the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to have. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go, leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes.
I am definitely in love with the curls that are coming out. I will let you guys know in advance. My hair drops fast and I'm not sure if I should maybe add a gel or hairspray. Let me know down below in the comments if you do perm rod sets on your hair. Do your curls drop fast? And these are for my lock girls.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying busy to snap. This in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy, down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at?
So that is it for today's video. I am not going to mess with them at all because I want to kind of preserve them for the weekend. But yes, that is it for today's video. I really enjoyed creating these curls. It's a different curl pattern than I have in the previous videos, which I will pin them and list them down below, the other curl styles that I've tried on my hair. And that is it. Like I said, see you next time. Thank you all for watching.